Hi, I'm Dec, and I'm just going to give you an overview of the musical instrument making course that we run here in DFEi in Dún Laoghaire. The course takes place from September to May each year and consists of a range of modules including design, CAD and the actual building of the instruments themselves. We focus on the design of guitars a lot, so we teach students how to draw on CAD, how to design these instruments, and we bring those drawings from the design suite into the laser cutter where we can cut out the soundboards, we can cut out the frets slots, and we can cut out the logos for the guitars. Literally, our students start with no experience. Most of them have never lifted a chisel before, which is always very interesting. This year, we've decided to construct an orchestra model guitar. So an orchestra model you'll see is slightly smaller than the dreadnought, which is the most common type of guitar. Dreadnought would be more utilised for strumming, whereas the orchestra model is more of a finger-picking guitar. We buy in top quality materials. The tops themselves come from Spain. It's a European Sitka spruce top. It's book matched, of course. We select them principally for the sound quality, so for stiffness and longitudinally, long ways and across the width. And then, of course, we need to always look for a decent tap tone. You know, we buy them in for their tone, we buy them in for their ability to make good instruments. Okay, so that's our top. So from this, we joint them, we sand them up, we end up with a soundboard similar to this. Again, we've thinned it down a lot. Our tap tone is still good. On this particular one, we have the braces marked out, ready to stick braces on. Okay, so there's our soundboard. Our back and sides are African mahogany, so it's sapelli mahogany, again book matched, so two pieces joined together. The back bracing has been glued onto this one, so that's our back sapelli mahogany. Our sides similar sapelli mahogany, as you can see, that's bent. These sides are bent using the machine behind me. So we start with a side like this, we cut it out on the laser, bring it to the bend of the machine, and we end up with a side which, as I say, in turn, in the molds, will go on to the back, like such, okay? Our neck, again, in this case, African mahogany again. It's strong, it's light. You'll see the truss rod channel, you'll see the dovetail for fixing the neck to the body. The headstock, in this case walnut, over a little veneer of maple, which is put in there, again, just for aesthetics. So they're the materials we use, again, top class materials. So I suppose I'll show you the guitars. I'm going to take Dave's guitar. Dave chose some fabulous timbers for his guitar. He used Irish yew for the headstock, which is really, really unusual. It's difficult enough to get yew, and he's incorporated it into this absolutely fabulously. You can see he's yew on the headstock, and he's also put a bit of Irish yew on the heel cap at the back, just to match in. We have a 633mm scale length, which is pretty standard for an orchestra model. We have an African ebony bridge. We have ebony bridge pins. We have a bone saddle, also a bone nut. We have an African ebony fretboard. We have abalone fret markers, and also abalone side markers as well. Dave has incorporated a walnut binding, which is absolutely fabulous. Looks really, really well and matches the binding that he has on the headstock up here. We have Grover tuners, good quality tuners, book matched back and book matched back. So overall, an absolutely fabulous guitar, and as all of them are. And I suppose most importantly, what they sound like. So they all sound fabulous. I'll give you a quick strum. I'm not going to play a song, but if you can hear, every note sounds absolutely gorgeous on these guitars. Not that one. So that's about it now. I just wanted to show you quickly the scope of the course, what we do on the course, and hopefully interest people into coming along and joining us on the course. It's a fabulous course.